Meaning of incremental.
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 Incremental. Incremental refers to the gradual, step-by-step process of adding or increasing something. It involves making small improvements or changes over time, rather than one big change all at once. This approach is often used in business and technology to improve processes and products. The benefits of incremental changes include reduced risk of failure, easier tracking of progress, and greater flexibility in adapting to feedback and evolving needs. Overall, an incremental approach can lead to more efficient and effective outcomes than attempting to achieve all goals in one large leap.